Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we're gonna do unboxing. This is I've been shopping at Macy's. Actually, I don't like their bags, so because this is the bag of Macy's. Look at that, we don't even have the paper bag. So by the way, let's start for this black paper bag. This is the present from my husband because he went to Nebraska, Colorado for a continued filming series for the Green Lantern. So he buy me something. So first thing that we have to do is look at this. It's C is Colorado. So this is the magnet. Actually, I went there like last 2017, so it's been a long time. Oh, by the way, we stopped by there during COVID, as I believe when we go to New Mexico. So here's the first thing that he buy for me. I think this one is a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. He said this one is from the restaurant that they eat, the Twisted Turtle Pub. So as usual is he get me the small one. So it's a nice color. I like dark colors, that's why buy me. Every time I told him when we buy when you're gonna buy me t-shirts or you order from your shoe, just buy me the dark, choose the dark color. So, and this is the second one, guys, with the hat. So let me see. See, Colorado at the Rocky Mountains. So I believe they went there for filming. So let me see how, if I wear this, that's gonna be like that. Oh, I can wear it while I'm doing my okay, I'm not gonna wear it. I'm not gonna wear it for now. So this is the additional for my hat collection. Actually, I have some hats collections. So next time that I'm gonna show it to you guys for my Wednesday fashion vlog is maybe the next one is the hats, let's say. And this is the second t-shirts that include with the hats. See, it is the Rocky Mountain, Colorado. I went there a long time ago, like 2017, me and my friends. So guys, the second one that I need to unboxing is this is for my face cream. It's a 24 karat gold. So let's see what is gonna be here. I've been even brought a knife because the one that I have is almost finished now. So let me break it then. There you go. Here we come, guys. Absolute Care 24 karat gold illuminating day and night cream. So this is the one, and then the second one is it's the same, guys. Lip and Firm Serum. That's the one that I have. And as you notice, I bought another shoes. This is the shoes for my work. So I'm gonna leave it this in my office when I'm gonna bring this on Monday. So So because I need high heels, guys. You know I'm short, so I need a high heels. I'm just gonna put this one for my background. And here we come, guys. Actually my feet is 5.5 only. This one is 6, but it's not wide, so that's why they don't have the wide 5.5 size. So only this one, because I do really need it from my work, because my working shoes is hurting my feet now. So this is the one, guys. Actually this is it's either is a college shoes. It's a wild pearl. Is it pearl? So let me check what is. Yeah, it's a wild pear, from a wild pear forest, I believe. So this is the one, guys. So I will show it to you later. And also this one is from Mrs. And here we come, guys. I'm excited to open this Versace, because this one is included with a perfume. So I don't know where I'm gonna put my cream. So let's open this one. This is the one that I'm excited for. So let's see first one where I can open and where I can grab for this side. This one, guys, I'm so excited. That's the pack. So I will show it to you. This is gonna be my working bag or my traveling tote bag. Look at that. What a nice tote bag. So mostly I guess is I'm gonna wear this at my work. So you can do this. My God, I don't have shelving anymore to put purses. So it's gonna be like this. Actually, it's chewing like that. This later one, it's the one to lock it if you want that kind of design. So this is the one. Let me put you there. I love it. It's gonna be like this. And there's another one in here, because the Versace has there's some kind of it's a limited edition, because the summer hair is almost finished. So they have that kind of purse and perfume. So now let me open this side, okay? And I want to save it this box. My husband gonna be telling me, are you a hoarder? Look at this. It's gonna be additional in my perfume. Then it's, see here. I wanna close up, guys. It's, see here, Versace. There you go. So I love it. And it's gonna be like this. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's like a medium size. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like it, my unboxing. So by the way, again, is my Monday vlog is about restaurant food, and my Wednesday vlog is for unboxing and what is my collection in my closet. And then the Friday is for my travel, concert, any places that where I go, or when I go to the shopping to the shopping mall. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you like my video.